Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the oven racks in your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the racks are lost or damaged, or because they're just so dirty that they're not worth cleaning anymore. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So in order to replace our oven racks, you just open this front oven door right here. Here are two oven racks. As you can see right here, they're both pretty filthy and old. So I'm going to be removing both of these. And all you have to do is just slide it out. Once it gets to a certain point in here, you're going to tilt it back and pull it out the rest of the way. Now, grab your new OEM replacement oven racks. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now I'm going to put the oven rack in. When I do it, I want to tilt it back just to get it over the lip on there. Push it all the way in. So while we've got the oven right here open, it reminds me of a little bit of a corny joke that I heard from somebody. So there's two muffins in the oven. One turns to the other one and says, "It's a little bit hot in here." The other one turns and looks and says, "Oh my gosh, a talking muffin!" I've got the two oven racks with a decent amount of space, so that if I've got a pan down here, I can easily reach in without burning myself on this top one, and I can put two things in there and cook them both at once without having to worry about space too much. You can close your oven door, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.